every policeman who arrested me before, they know ukuthi mina I was fighting. Bengimshaya ngishaya inqindi kuqala kunandaba ukuthi like ngizolwa ngendlela yokuthi ngifuna ukuvula imbobo yokubaleka. Angilwele ukuthi ngishaye lo muntu ngimwine. Nganyathela iphoyisa enyaweni nje ngimphushe ahlale phansi ngeyibuno ngibaleke. That's what I used to do, uyabona. So lelo langa ngibasogolise ngokutshela ukuthi ivan eyafika epolice station but ingavaleka ngomnyango emuva. Ngiloko ngiyehla ngigibela ngiyehla bathi ngigibele ngaphezulu kwayo ivan. Ngiyehlele ngale bangigijimisa bangibambe futhi bangifake bangikhompe ngezibhamu la enyaweni bangihohle ukuthi nje ngingene evenini. And bengeke ngene izohamba kancane until izongena epolice station. So that is what happened on the day. Ngangena epolice station mangifika epolice station ngithola ugqwala amaphoyisa. Ngaphandle nje kwegate nje. Hey, siphi isibhamu wena bafuna isibhamu labantu. Siphi isibhamu hayi mina ngisiphika isibhamu. But ke I got released the same time. Angazi why. Uyabona? Bavele nje bathi mike nahambe sengizwa ngingakatshelwa yilo mike nahambe imessage yeza kancane sengikhululekile okay hamba ndoda ungadlaleli kude yabona bebathanda ukusho kanjalo ngithi hayi idayila zabo laba plus kulelo police station I'm known my name was Friday so wonke umuntu wazi Friday I'm a leader of the gangster and then nami ngisebenzela ukuthi ngibe ne fame bengithanda leyo nto ukuthi ngibe ne fame yabona ngidume ngisatshwa yabe ngithanda leyo nto so izinto zami eziningi ngizenzela leyo nto ukuthi I must be scary yabona abantu kumele bazi ukuthi ngubani ngayenzani what I'm capable of so ngihambe but ngitshela ukuthi the following day okay the same day was Saturday now. The same day later on ngibuyela kumuntu wamazange sakhona ukuya and then ngayendlini ngabuyela later mangibuyela later nyana ngifike la kubo umngani wami ngithola lo mngani wami ke intwana kaChiriam uyabona this brother I found him there siyaqoqa indoda nenzeni kanti hayi angishashaya nje ukuthi hey mfethu leyazi le dombo asho kanjalo uyazi le dombo sisahlele sikhona ukubona kulesa strata akunamabonda la kusemakhaya nyana nje amadrat ama-fence wakhona so sikhona ukubona that side of the street yabo ngale kule strata singale mangithi sibona imoto yamaphoyisa plus ibona uye umngani wami ke uthi hey leya moto kwenzakalani mangithi hlange thabo khada ngithi futhi abomkwena angithi siyabaza uma CID ngithi hayi le mpatho umkwena le athi kimi ayikho into eniyenzile ngithi hayi next singazi ke because sihlala sishisa sihlala sifuneka we only hoping for the best ukuthi bayadlula naba bamegate kusho ba roundile basome egate la mabafika la egate bangena siyabezwa mayima but sichokekile asibaleki because bekumele sibaleke sihleze sishisa enemy futhi yabona I have almost 6 to 7 cases ezingifunayo hleze ngibaleka yabo so amaphoyisa afike lana bahamba nabo sisi abayi2 amaphoyisa ayi2 sihlale phansi kwesihlahla and then they pointed at this guy ukuthi now even before khuluma amaphoyisa mabavela nje bathi now amaphoyisa athi oh uye lo bathi ya uye lo athi ngiyenzeni bathi hayi ndoda ungazokhuluma yazo rapile wena yo then lamaphoyisa ngoba yangazi athi lona yena boy2 but bathi hayi lona smart kanje bathi ndoda sambe
bayakuthatha
bayangishiya mina angathi mina abangazi bayangishiya mabangishiya halfway to the gate lo bhuti wami lo athi hey Friday awutshela usisi wami ukuthi ngiyaboshwa mfethu please ayi mangisathi ngendlini bathi oh esala uthi ubani wena ngathi mina ngoAbel Moleko bathi no wayilo muntu athi Friday wena ngithi hayi angazi mhlawumbe ukhuluma ngelanga angazi ngizama uku bathi nene khona iphoyisa lekhala ngawe ukuthi wena ulitshela amanga wena ukuthi awuso Friday kanti uFriday ofuthi ke angenzakalela leyo nto ukuthi amaphoyisa ame la bathi uFriday ubani ngathi hayi mina ngimazi bangiyeka halfway nje maba sebahamba khona umunye usisi bamanaye la athi ne uFriday uye lo enimenayo lo mabathi bayajika baza kimi ngishaya khona ngibaleke 99 manje so ngifuna ngaleyo ndlela leyo bathi ne khona iphoyisa likufunayo la sambe ukuboshwa kanjalo kwami kanti I will never come back yabo singene emotweni sambe emotweni uyazikhulumela limani hayi mina yangirayipanga ngibhekene kahle mina baze bathi endoda yekela kuba buza imibuzo like uyaba intimidate or something uyabona uyabathusa or something singene police station avalelo kule cell ngihambe nyovalelwa kule cell that's when ngimgcina mina
sure
that guy that's when ngimgcina sihleli Saturday Sunday kuzo omunye umuntu futhi uzongimemeza uyathola la kuse police station esephambi kwelokushini phakathi kwelokushini so people used to shout from outside mabafuna umuntu okhuluma nomuntu la eseleni nathi sikhona ukubiza abantu bethu sikhulume nabo through the window yabo it's not far from the fence so we'll take a mirror nje a small mirror nje and sibabheke like a review yeah sisebenza siyabheka ukuthi kwenzakalani nangapha kanjalo sibheke yabo so kuze la out ifike ngimemeze Friday ayingiphakame la hola athi man manje kanti kwenzakalani la ngizwa amaphoyisa athi uboshiwe wena noKenta yabo so khona manje uKenta ushiya impahla la kimi bathi ngize nazo yabo how endoda ukhona leyo muntu la ake ningene nami ngifuna ukwazi istory mfethu fela angazi next angene kanti naye akasaphumi uyaboshwa la imani
ulethe impahla bayambamba bayamfuna
yes waboshwa naye
so manje ni 3
sesi 3 kanti ila enqondweni yami ukuthi si3 sesi 2 manje
yeba
angazi so ngibona kuphi ukuthi sesi 2 on Monday sebafuna ukuyosithatha amapiano manje that case le engibophisile it was now the 60th case accounts enginayo bayibiza kanjalo if una ama case ay6 they will say you have 6 account yabo that's when kuvuka namanye nje bengifuneka nalele rape manje I was charged with it first yabo how ngithi mina kanti kwenzakalani labathi endoda awume kancane asazi thina siya charge nje a church office it's not a criminal investigator this one usebenza e church office okuchargewa kwami lo muntu loyana uphi azange sambona athina sazi zobuza ama CID yanibophile yabo how engitryelele but manje sengiyatriala manje ngiye court ka 1 they say you are greeting the magistrate for the first time you just going to greet uyafika akakhulumi nawe what's your name oboshela into so and then further investigations go back to the cell here's the new date uyangithola bangenza kanjalo tomorrow futhi ngabuye court ngisengixakazela nalamanye ama case manje uyabo sengi1 manje masengibuya kwesi2 e court la ngino I choose la okuyilo senempahla you know the third one is no more 3 months down the line is a trial again all the stresses everything was there to me yabona of which lento yangenza ukuthi ngishaya abantu kakhulu e police station I was known ukuthi ngiyakushaya mina mawufikile abanye bazokuthusa uyadelela muyiseni ku Friday cell number 5
amaphoyisa bayisa umuntu eselelakho
wena mawungena ubathuka ngathi umuntu makaboshwa adakiwe but uyathukana amaphoyisa then bazokutshela ukuthi muyiseni ku Friday lo yabo and I'm telling you I'm going to do the job kunalabe sebathi liyangihlanyisa ijele because I tried for 2 years yabo ngidla ama Christmas ayi2 kahle ngilapho kulelo sele elincane yabona so lento leyo yangenza ukuthi ngingasabe nozwelo plus nginama anger issues wami ke uyabona go aqalene kumamami ukuthi ngingaphili nomamami stepfather in uyabona so nginama anger issues but I was not aware I thought ukuthi is my braveness yabona nginje I thought ukuthi nginjalo
personality yakho
yes so 3 months down the line is trial lapho lo cherry wami lo uzongibona for the first time manje and lo muntu lo bengingalali angangibonanga ngiboshwa namhlanje uyeza ngiboshwe ebusuku uzolandela imoto yamaphoyisa lo girl as usual but on that time azange eze until 3 months